stumbled upon this place. It's like a all-you-can-eat barbecue buffet. And the first place we went to, you actually had to book it for Christmas. And we didn't, because we're not organised like that. But this place is like 200k, and you can basically go up inside there, grab as much meat as you want, and then just come and barbecue it right in here. So we have a load of mussels, flat beef. It's not mussel. Just kind of like that. I don't know seafood. And a load of other meats. Or could be beer. That's right. We just checked into our second hotel. Actually, this one's a villa, but we got to wait a couple hours to get for them to get the room ready. So we're just going to go for a little drive with the rented motorbike, just around this area of Quoc. So we're sort of like in the middle, left side. What's that? West, where the market and stuff is, where the city is basically. So we're just gonna have a little drive around. But it's pretty nice, this place. It's yeah, like loads and loads of villas. It's like a hotel, but it's called the Shells, and everything's shaped like a shell here. So we're just gonna have a little drive around. I'll do a bit of video. Really nice hot sunny day. It's like midday now, so probably not a great time to be driving around, but it's pretty nice, breezy and stuff here. So here's a map of Quoc. This is where we are, just here. We actually just stayed down here somewhere, maybe? Yeah, we were saying like the last place was like here. More? Somewhere around here anyway. But yeah, and we were basically travelling to the city most of the time, and now the other side of the city. So we just need to go down more. And maybe the next place will be more up in the top, who knows? But this is where the market was. We did a video there before, last year. But we'll do another video there because it was really nice. Good seafood, nice market. So yeah, there's a little bit of a map to show you where everything is. And actually the airport's right in the middle. So we're staying pretty close together. Hey, so we're just heading out on a drive now. I'm not really sure what to do, but we definitely need some gas. It's pretty low. Yeah, this drive up to our place is pretty sweet. It's like bamboo trees either side. It feels very extravagant. I'm doing selfie driving here. Not recommended. I'm not even sure if you can hear me. It's pretty windy while I'm driving. That's right. Nice hiding from the camera. Oh, it's so windy. I want to go to the whatever this is.
I think it's not water here.
Oh, there's some Westerners over there. Yeah, so we've come to this waterfall, like 20 minutes away from where we're staying. Just exploring whatever this is. Some sort of crazy ancient thing. I've been filming as well.
This one has lots of colors and nice.
Yeah, this is nice. Nice plan. I thought you could climb on the top, but we can't. Yeah, so we're going to head to this waterfall that's about 20 minutes walk away. And have a little dip and swim and stuff there. I think there's a smaller waterfall on the way. So that'd be pretty cool to check out. I'm not really sure what this is. This is what it was like in Vietnam, in Phu Quoc, like years ago. No, I just thought because of the statue men and the Jesus. Or
Oh,
leopards.
smells so nice also.
It's like tiny jackfruit.
Oh, it smells nice.
Yeah, it does smell good. I don't think we need to wear masks anymore.
And that's we don't pull now like stuff.
Oh, this
from
is the tree
Yeah.
that's like sacred, right?
Yeah.
Would you call it the god tree? Alright. I thought it was like a special tree because of the stuff with like stuff that hangs down. I didn't realise there was going to be like a whole village and stuff here. Someone lives there. Some sort of crazy big hut here, or just a hut with a big roof. This is what ancient Vietnam was like.
Oh,
Oh look, pomelo.
yeah.
Nice.
And then,
We just help ourselves.
no, actually not pomelo in this.
No?
No.
Is it the booby fruit?
No, it looks so weird. I don't know.
I say booby fruit because there's a fruit called mum's boob or something. I don't know what it is in English. Yeah, I guess they're going to make this into a whole thing, right? Like restaurant and bar and stuff. Or it was like this before.
They're so nice though.
Before the dreaded COVID. They're all hungry.
Come on, fish
Push you in.
there.
They're like, give me food.
Okay.
I can hear a waterfall now. I guess this is it, but there's just no water there. Surely it would be coming down if it was at the top at least. This is nicer. I know. I'm not really wearing the right shoes for this. Watch out though. There's all sorts of like lions, cubs around, and bins. Because they're all like friendly killer creatures. They're not here to murder you. They're here to welcome you. There's some sort of bug or something. Like cicadas or something. It's like actually super loud here. We've got all sorts of weird animals making loud ass noises. Sorry, that's the sound of nature. Yeah, I find it really hard to walk on these rocks with flip-flops and record and talk at the same time. I'm not much of a multitasker.
Okay, I hit my phone.
It's so loud. Just those tiny animals make so much noise. They're like, have sex with me! To the other, the other whatever they are. It's like the human equivalent of that. It's just like shouting really, really loud until someone comes to mate with you. But yeah, it looks like the water's getting more, I was going to say ravenous. No, that's not the right word. Getting more rigorous. The higher we go. Check it out, here it is. Pretty sketchy rocks here, I'm pretty scared on this top of it. I don't know if you can even hear me, but tell you what, the water's pretty nice, really relaxing, really cool. After a bit of a swirly walk. Get a bit of a refreshing on. Oh. Now we can do a cool driving tour. You gotta speak louder, it's well windy. Well, that's the swimming pool and stuff, right? Swimming pool and spa. Oh, here we go. Here's us. Hi, Cham. Oh, yeah.
Cái này đúng rồi. Cho anh chị vào trong đây đây.
Me neither, yeah. Always used to like taking our own bags, but anyway, yeah, we're here. Let's have a little look around. Did you get the key, yeah? Mai's excited. It hasn't got its own pool, but it's got its own garden.
Anh để đây được không?
Rồi, để em mở cửa cho anh.
Yeah, you're in a little private garden. I mean, they could just put a swimming pool out there. But the swimming pool you saw, right? Well, it's just like just literally around the corner.
Rồi anh chị vào. Mình vào đây để em cầm vào cho. We'll have your luggage for you.
That's okay. Let's get a workout in. I've been doing a lot of sitting around eating. It's good to do some exercise. Come on. Nice, right?
Rồi, em gửi chị cái thẻ trong quá trình lưu trú mình cần hỗ trợ gì thêm cần thẻ tăng cái
So yeah,
cái trước ngõ nãy
big old bed.
ngoài phía ngoài cổng đó, chị thấy mình chơi.
Oh, that's nice.
Có điện tập hóa đó chị chồng mua mì với suối rồi đó, có.
Cool. That's really nice. The bath. You can have a little bath, a secluded bath. Bath. Is that a window? Yeah. Wow. I really didn't think it's so good, right? So weird. We got 2 showers, I think. Well, here's a shower room. It's cool, no? But that's the most important thing is what's in the minibar. Oh. Broken fingers in the minibar. Nothing. You'll do nothing. And what's in the thing next to the minibar? Also nothing. What's this thing? Oh, there's a Bluetooth alarm clock. God, we really are in the 20th century. Wait, 21st century, I mean. So yeah, that's the place. Garden View Villa. And at a pretty reasonable price as well. And we're here for 2 nights. So let's check out this pool and spa and restaurant and stuff then. Mai's being a model. Oh, there's little tire swings. It's just like from my childhood. Flow restaurant. Oh, you can see the beach from here. It's pretty nice. Oh, something smells good. Oh, there's oh, so they do the room service from here. That's pretty handy because we're staying just one behind this one. How do we go down? Oh, here. This place has a bit of a Santorini feel to it. A little bit. There's a restaurant, I think. This is for breakfast stuff. Oh man, that'd be so nice if that bar was open. I don't know why I love bars in pools so much. It's just such a novelty just being able to just stand there and drink and then, you know, just piss where you are. Do you want to eat something now? Are you hungry? You're gonna go swim. Do you want to sit in one of these little shell net things?
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, it's bright, right? There's a couple of sunbathing spots down there. We've also got these like chairs that are actually inside the pool. Give you a little surround tour. That's the spa and stuff outside. This is quite cool. Not really shaded though. Probably be really hot. Yeah, that's what I was saying. I knew there'd be rooms here. Where do you want to go then? Do you want to go into the...
No, no. There's chairs there.
Yeah. I think it'd be really hot there.